Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring your phone is online and charged, then open the app you chose. If you use Word, tap Open Browse to find the PDF. If using an online converter, open your browser and go to the converter page. Make sure you grant storage and camera permissions if prompted, because the app may need to access files. Once done, select the PDF file. Tapping it starts the import process. This first step moves the document into the tool, so conversion can proceed. Now you adjust conversion settings to match your needs. Pick PDF to DocX for best Word compatibility, or enable OCR if the PDF is scanned. Choose the language and whether to keep original layout and images, because these control accuracy and file size. Then tap Convert or Export and monitor the progress. Larger files take longer. If using Word app, open the converted file and let Word run its reflow. Make sure to check formatting in the preview, so you catch issues early. You finish by saving the converted document as a docx in Files or Drive, renaming it to keep the original PDF. Open the Word file and scan pages for layout shifts, missing fonts, or OCR mistakes. Edit directly to fix errors. If tables or columns misalign, copy content into a new document and reformat. If conversion fails or text is garbled, try rerunning OCR with a different language or use a reputable desktop converter as a fallback. This often resolves stubborn formatting problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.